Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a simple ready to go makeup tutorial. Sit right with me and let's start together. So as you can see, I've already moisturized my face. I've primed my face with my Mary Kay primer, as I'll be going in with my SPF 15 Studio Mark foundation. The reason why I like this foundation is that it blends in quickly. Just take little as the base for your face, and you don't forget, it's important, the corners of the forehead as well is important. So as you can see, it's all blended. Always ensure that the foundation you are using is your complexion shade. So now we are going in with a BH concealer palette to conceal certain areas on the face. Just sure your beauty blender is soft, well moisturized. Can add a little setting spray on it to make it puffy, so to help your concealer to blend in quickly. Can you see? Blend in properly. So having blended everything properly, we're taking our Jordana setting powder, can you see, to set up the face. This time around, I don't want to use the Sacha Buttercup, so it's always good to improvise with another thing. Come to this place. So now for our concealer parts on the face, I'll be using the Sleek Makeup palette. It consists of the bronzer and the dark shade. So make use of the dark shade. So the work of this is just to give the face that calmness. Then having done with the lips, just go in a dark shade for our under eye, to give it that pop. Just dark shade. I hope you're enjoying my makeup tutorial. That is why we are here for you. Just a little gloss. So guys, this is it. Can you see? So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know what video you want me to come up with. I tell you, this is just like a simple go-to makeup tutorial. Can you see? And if you follow the process with whatever products that you have, you can actually achieve this kind of look. It's not until you wear your wig that you can play your makeup. Can you see? I'm on my cornrows and my makeup is still looking, chop. So this is it, guys. Please, I beg you, watch my video, like, share, comment, share to friends and family, turn on your bell notification so that when my video comes up, you get notified ASAP. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned one or two from it. So I remain your girl to the LIVIA. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.